What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video, with another quick video. This one isn't going to be too long. I actually just want to tell you guys about a quick investment technique and actually show it to you guys on Robinhood as well as on Webull. Basically, this technique allows you to secure your gains in the stock market. So if a stock that you had already ran up on price, you already got like to a point where you feel like, it's time to sell, this technique will allow you to actually keep running that stock up as far as it needs to go, and then you can get out whenever it decides to actually go and drop back without you actually having to watch the stock waiting for it to actually drop back. So either way, all that'll be explained in this video. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video, so I don't like wasting your time, and it is a pretty quick video, so let's actually get into the video. Let's go. Before we jump in, as always, make sure you drop a like on this video. That's the easiest way to help the channel grow. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. I can keep making videos like this. Or if you like videos like something else, definitely go and check out the rest of the channel, and you can find videos on something else you may like credit cards, debit cards, budgeting, credit in general, anything investing, anything really relating to money, personal finance, got you covered here on the channel. So go across the channel, check it out, like those videos, and let me know which ones you like, and I'll make more videos on those. And thirdly, grab yourself some free stuff with the links down below. I got free stock links down below for Robinhood, Webull, M1 Finance, Acorns, Doe, all that's down there. I also have links down there for credit cards if you're looking to get some new credit cards. If you actually need a credit card, because if you don't actually need a credit card, then I wouldn't recommend you get another one. But I mean, you can do whatever you want. Either way, links for all that kind of stuff is linked down below in the description. So check out those links, get yourself some free stuff, free money. That's simple. Now let's actually get into what I'm talking about today, which is a stop loss, and in particular a trailing stop loss. So for a trailing stop order, the stop price follows or trails the highest price of whatever stock you have set. In the case of this example, I'm using Tesla by a trail that you set. A market sell would then be triggered when Tesla falls to the stop price or lower. So what exactly does that mean? I'm actually going to go over to my Robinhood account, and we're going to go to Tesla stock, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about right here, right now. You can see today with Tesla, it really hasn't moved that much. It's sitting at $794.50 a share right now, but we're not really here for that. We're actually here to talk about the trailing stop loss, or the trailing stop order. So let's say, for example, you bought Tesla right when I bought Tesla. And what did I buy Tesla at, or what's my average cost? My average cost on Tesla is $523, and you can see my return right now on Tesla is a little bit over 50%, which is a great return. It's a solid return. Let's also say my goal with Tesla was actually to reach 50% or more. So you can see as of today, I'm actually sitting above 50% in my total return. So if I want to go and sell Tesla, I don't want to sell all the shares right away, because for all I know, Tesla could go and run up to $850, $900, $1,000 maybe tomorrow, and I simply don't want to take that chance and miss out on those gains. In that case, I would put a trailing stop order on Tesla. So I would go on over here to where it says trade. I would click on trade. Then I would click on sell, because like I said before, I've already reached my goal with Tesla. So I would go ahead and sell all my Tesla. But as I mentioned, I don't want to sell all my Tesla for this price right here, because I basically know I could possibly get more tomorrow, because Tesla could possibly shoot up tomorrow. I don't know. So in that case, we're going to go back. We're going to go ahead and click on the top right little drop down menu, and that'll bring up different types of ways to sell. You can sell in dollars, you can sell in shares, you can sell with a limit order, but in the case of this video, we're talking about a trailing stop order. Once we click on that, we can actually set our trailing stop order. So if Tesla drops 5%, which will basically drop the price down to $758 a share, if it reaches that price tomorrow or whenever, then I can go ahead and click continue on this and set it for tomorrow, or I can change it to up to 90 days. Go ahead and click continue. And I can also set how many shares I actually plan on selling. Let's just say I want to sell one share if it drops below 758 by that particular day. And then it'll go ahead and do that by that particular day if the stock price of Tesla falls to 758.24 or lower. So this way, if Tesla runs up to $850 tomorrow, then I can go ahead and just sell all my shares tomorrow and get even more gains than I have today. But in the case that it actually drops, if it drops 5% or more, then Robinhood will automatically sell these shares for me, or whatever shares I set basically, and I won't have anything to worry about. I can sit back, relax, and let Robinhood do all the work for me, or any other brokerage for that matter. If we go back, we can also do the exact same thing for a dollar amount. All you do is click right there on the little drop down menu, and you do trail amount instead of you doing trail percentage. It's that simple. Now let's actually move on over to the Webull app, because a lot of people have Robinhood, but also a lot of people have Webull. So it's good to know how to do this on both platforms, because it's completely different, and Webull is a little bit more intuitive, I guess you could say, when it comes to how everything looks, lays out, everything like that. So if you haven't seen Webull before, you're going to see it right now. Here we go, Face ID, and we're in. And let's just choose one of these stocks in particular. What stock should I choose? Let's go ahead and choose... This is how Webull would look, by the way, but we'll get into that in a separate video. Let's go ahead and choose this one, CLNE, Clean Energy Fuel. So you would do the exact same thing. You would go ahead and click on whatever stock you want to do your trailing stop loss on or trailing stop order on. You would go ahead and click sell if I wanted this to be the actual price, and then we will go ahead and click on stop. You can see you have limit, market, stop, and OTO. We're gonna go ahead and click on stop, and because that's the one we want. Click on it again to pull up a stop, just a regular stop, a stop limit, or a trailing stop. We want the trailing stop. Go ahead and click on trailing stop, and you can do the same thing as you can do on Robinhood. You can do it in a dollar amount, or you can go ahead and click on that little dollar sign and do it in percentage. I personally like percentages for both Robinhood and Webull, but you could do it whatever way you want to do it. It doesn't really matter. Go ahead and type in 5%, and you can say how many you want to sell. It's just like Robinhood. Let's say I want to sell all of them, and boom, there you go right there at the bottom. It'll tell you the estimated amount. If you let it drop 5%, that's how much you would get, which would be, for me, $386 for my 25 shares of clean energy fuel. That simple, good stuff. And that's basically it when it comes to a trailing stop order. But one thing you do need to note, you do not want to mention, I don't know if I already said this in the video before, but you do not want to put a trailing stop order on a stock that you're waiting to actually run up. So if the stock price hasn't hit a point where it's like, okay, I'm good on selling it at this price, then you want to not put that on there. You actually want to wait for the stock to reach the price that you want to sell it at, and once it actually reaches that price, you go ahead and put the trailing stop order on there. That way, if it keeps going, then you can sell for a higher price, and if it drops down whatever you want to drop down to, maybe 1, 2, 5%, maybe 10%, then it would automatically sell it for you. So like I said before, you do this after the price is already ramped to a point you want to sell it at, not before. If it's on the way up and it's going up and down every other day, then you don't want to put the trailing stop order on, because you might not make the amount of money that you want to make. You turn it on when you see the stock is at a price where it's like, okay, I'm good on selling this at this point, but if it rides up more, I want to get some of those gains as well. That simple. Either way, like I mentioned before, this is a super quick video, and that's all I have for you in this video. Do have more content coming for you very soon. And if you have any more questions about a trailing stop order, any type of investing questions, personal finance questions, just let me know down in the comment section below. I got you covered 100%. I've been making a lot of investing videos lately because a lot of the crowd that's coming onto my channel is investing focused, so they want to, get videos like that, so that's perfectly fine. But, I'm not leaving you guys out. I'm not leaving the credit card guys out. I'm not leaving the saving money guys out, all that kind of stuff. There's still videos for that coming as well. Just a little bit on the back burner, that's all. I wish I could put out more videos for you guys. It's just a lot of time. It is what it is. But, I'm going to do what I got to do for you guys. Either way, let me know down in the comment section below what you want to see on the channel. Anything personal finance related is, all good with me. So I hope you enjoyed. That's kind of it for this video. Make sure you check out those links down below to get yourself some free stocks. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to talk about in this video. I think I'm good. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Something, just a little quick tip. Just had to drop it off for you guys. I'm out. Solid gym. Peace.